This thing looks awesome. I did take it out of the package and check it all out and look over it. It has animation, it's got text, it's an alarm clock, and it has kind of like this graffiti setting. This one is the 3232. It's the square, and you could see it has the app with it. I have downloaded the app and used this. It's a USB Type-C for the power delivery. It has a hanging hole in the top, and it's 20 centimeters by 20 centimeters, and it's the red, green, blue display. And I think that's everything on the box here. Let's just open it up and let me show y'all what you get with this thing. Number one, you open it up, very nicely presented. Comes with this little cover right here. Set that aside. You get a set of instructions, and the instructions kind of go over how this thing works. I'll just tell y'all that a lot of this thing is to have to do with the app. They give you a leveler so you can level it. They have some hardware, some mounting hardware, and I am going to mount this here in my office area. You get a USB like power brick, and then you get a pretty long USB-C cable. You get the actual unit itself. You can see that's pretty much everything to it right there. Set that aside, and it comes wrapped up in this package here. You get a little stand right here, and what that does, that goes like that, and this thing will go like that, and it just sets. Let's just peel this off. Put that aside. We won't need this little stand right now. Let's put that back in there. You can see where the USB-C goes up in there right there. Let me go ahead and run my USB-C and plug that in. Let's do that now. Let's just stick that in there. So as soon as you stick it in, it comes on just like this. That's DM for dot matrix. And what you're going to do, you're going to download the dot matrix app. So once you download the app, you'll connect this thing on there. I have connected it. So looking over the app here, let me just kind of like show you. Number one, you can turn it on and off through the app. You can do device connection, so you can see right there how you would find the device. Pretty simple to set up. Once you download the app, just go to device connection and you're good. You can go to animation. You can type some text. So let's just go hello. There it is. Look how fast that goes. Is that not awesome how easily that kind of goes? And then I can adjust it. I love how, like, I can adjust the speed, I can adjust the colors on it. Let's say I want it to be green. Check it out. It just turned green. And there is a clock. Where's the clock at? What I was doing, check it out. There's a stopwatch. There's a countdown stopwatch. I really like that too. I will be using that. The clock, check this out. So you have a clock on there, and you can get it where it shows the date. You can make it more like a lamp if you just want it like a pixelated lamp. Check it out. You can do a light effect. That looks really cool. You can go here, and now I can do types of pixelated art. This thing is awesome. I can just tell y'all, I absolutely love this thing. It looks so cool, especially if you're like me and you're a fan of the old school kind of like 80s video games and things like that. It's just so fun. That's a little cup of coffee. Don't that look awesome, the way that looks? These are just some of the pictures here, and you can like alter the picture. You look, it's in real time, by the way. See how I'm kind of altering the picture in real time? And just going up here, you got daily, festival, expressions, creativity, business. So like if you want like a little business thing, you can change these to just like whatever. Check this out, sale. Just keep going through them. Shop. So this could hang up in a store somewhere, big sale, taxi. Is that not awesome? Taxi there. Because this runs off of USB, so you could easily run just about anything off of this. And then check this out. This is music. Look at that. It goes along with the music. How cool is that? That you can actually time it to music. You can talk on it if I want to. I can hit the microphone and notice how it's kind of like going with my voice. Hello, hello. And let's see, what else? We got the microphone. There's so many features of this thing. It's absolutely, you got energy saving mode to get it to go off, brightness. If if I want to like lower the brightness or bring it up and down. Technically, that's me holding a fish right there, so you can barely see that that's a picture of a fish. But you could alter it and change it around and have any type of pictures that you want on there. If you're a fan of like old 8-bit games, you will absolutely love this, or this is a great gift for someone that might be a fan of like these older 8-bit games. And it's just something funny that you can kind of tinker around with it with this thing. I think it's hilarious looking at it, and I can't wait to have it all set up in my office here. So yeah, that's all I got today, everybody, for the pixel art, the pixel display. Check it out. See you guys in the next video. Woo!